The tech world is buzzing with anticipation as Apple prepares to launch its highly awaited iPhone 17 series this September. As leaks continue to surface, a newly leaked mock-up of the iPhone 17 Pro Max has caught everyone's attention, giving us an exciting look at what might be Apple's latest innovation. But is this truly a groundbreaking upgrade or just another evolutionary step? Let's break down everything we know so far. Camera with flash iPhone 17 Pro Max design, what's new? A fresh leak from renowned tipster Majinbu showcases what seems to be a dummy model of the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. One of the biggest talking points is its rear camera panel. Unlike previous leaks that suggested a black camera module, this mock-up aligns the panel's color with the rest of the phone's body, giving a sleek and unified aesthetic. Magnifying glass tilted left design highlights, white heavy checkmark glass camera panel seamlessly blends with the device's color white heavy checkmark camera control button, positioned on the right for enhanced functionality white heavy checkmark action and volume rocker controls, found on the left side for a streamlined user experience white heavy checkmark slim yet sturdy build. Reports suggest it's slightly thicker but still lightweight white heavy checkmark SIM tray inclusion, possible indicator that this model isn't a US variant. Apple enthusiasts will also notice the side-by-side comparison of an iPhone 17 Pro dummy unit next to the iPhone 16 Pro. While the older model appears to have larger lenses, this could be due to camera positioning rather than an actual design shift. Fire iPhone 17 series, expected features and upgrades. Apple is rumored to introduce significant performance boosts and refinements with the iPhone 17 lineup, and here's what we expect. New button memory and processing power. iPhone 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro, and 17 Air equipped with 12GB RAM for seamless multitasking. Standard iPhone 17 model will likely come with 8GB RAM, offering solid performance. A 19 Pro chipset for Pro models, advanced processing for speed and efficiency. A 19 processor for other models, optimized performance across the lineup. Mobile phone display and visual experience. 120Hz LTPO display, ultra-smooth visuals across all models. New dynamic island, expected to feature improved functionality and responsiveness. Upgraded proximity sensor tech, boosting interactive experiences. Antenna bars connectivity and battery life. Apple's first custom Wi-Fi chip, Wi-Fi 7 support for faster and more efficient connectivity. Bigger battery, longer life, reports indicate Apple may focus on extending battery endurance. As the bigger picture, what does this mean for Apple fans? With the iPhone 17 series, Apple seems to be refining both design and performance, but will it be enough to feel like a real upgrade? The camera changes, battery improvements, and chipset advancements indicate that Apple is doubling down on efficiency rather than flashy overhauls. That said, whether these updates justify the hype will only be determined once users get their hands on the device. As the September launch date approaches, excitement is bound to keep building. Will Apple surprise the world with unexpected features, or will this be another predictable annual refresh? Stay tuned for more leaks and insights as we get closer to the official reveal.